Om Shri Sai Ram. Welcome my dear friends to a fresh episode of Easy DIY Art and Craft. Today we have a surprise for you. Today Hakshath is going to create not one but two things. It is said, do what you can with what you have, and today Hakshath is going to take ice cream sticks and do very useful products that we need in our everyday life. And these are not only useful but also look so beautiful. In fact, let me share with you, I have taken one of his creations to my house because it was so good and so useful. Purposely, I don't want to reveal what the product is. I want all of you to stay tuned till the end and watch Hakshath's creation. My dear friends, don't you agree with me that each and every creation that these boys did was indeed stupendous? It is our duty to appreciate and encourage these boys pursue this art. So come on my dear friends, give all your positivity through your comments. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And finally, if you have not subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and subscribe because you get a lot of positive and wonderful content in this channel. Be happy, don't worry, spread positivity. Thank you. Jai Sai Ram.